This week, we will be focusing on evaluating your programs after you have completed them. We have gone through the process of putting a program together, but now we have to consider how we can actually evaluate ourselves as educators and what kind of people we need to evaluate our programs as well. We will be going over multiple types of evaluations as well as how we can actually create an evaluation for ourselves for our programs. There are three types of evaluations that we are going to focus on in our presentation today. We're going to talk about paper evaluations done by teachers and/or senior staff of your groups for your group programs inside your classroom. We are going to talk about exit evaluations done by visitors at the end of an event. And we are also going to talk about evaluations done by your supervisor about your general work and program experience. All of these evaluations are going to assist in helping you be a better educator as well as create a better program. Evaluations that are done by teacher or senior staff members generally occur inside of a program in a formal setting inside your museum. They are designed to evaluate the content of your program, the way you present it, and how their audience responds. Teachers can be looking for anything on how you ask the question, how their students respond to the question, and how interactive your program actually is. These evaluations can be created by you or your department as a whole, and they emphasize ways to better interact or teach the subject in the long run. Exit evaluations are great in the sense that they are a short, anonymous way to get information from your visitors in a fast way. They are done at the end of an event when a visitor is leaving. They always need to be voluntarily done, and they actually emphasize what a visitor did or did not like, and they also can suggest how a museum can change an event. This is important for a museum educator because they actually get a firsthand response and feedback from a visitor at the end of their time when they are still fresh from the event itself. Finally, supervisory evaluations are usually a type of evaluation that a museum educator does not have to work with unless they are actually the supervisor on hand. They are designed for you as the educator. They describe how your supervisor believes you are doing and how your programs fare in their eyes. They assist in making you aware of yourself as an educator and the kinds of things that you may need to consider fixing or you know you're doing well. And they also act as a form of job security because you're being evaluated for your job itself. These are just a few of the types of evaluations that you will have to deal with as a museum educator. Now take some time looking through your course in the folder and you will find some samples and evaluations to be able to actually assist you in creating your own evaluation for the assignment this week.